Eh? The blood clot you come talk about. You tell me say a bomb? In there?
Stop talking. Please. He's
Huh?
older than you. Just because of this, you can stop. Just don't.
You tell me say a bomb in there?
What's wrong with him? I said it was a bomb in the bag.
Yes!
That's what I
You
said.
can't say that blood clot when them blow up this.
You know who blew up that building?
You tell me say a bomb in there?
You know who blew up that building? You don't have a clue who blew up that building. I don't care who blew up that building.
Get out of the fucking plane!
I'm going to keep
Get out!
I'm going to keep reading it. You ain't going to do nothing to me.
Get out of the bomb clot plane! Before me kill you! Get out! Get out!
Excuse me, can you
Come on,
back
this
off?
blood clot girl!
Can you back off?
I want police come. I want police come. I'm me at that too. That tell me there's a blood clot for me there. Eh?
Can you back off?
Huh?
Can you back
I
off?
want the police come and lock up the bomb clot.
Back off me?
Let me tell you.
Can you back off me? Really? Thank you. I don't care what you say.
People have to go and try the emergency blood clot work tonight. They can go home.
This is a free word.
Oh.
Say what you want.
You ain't gonna do that.
What talk about? People have to go home.
I got to step on that one.
No.
You ain't pulling no brakes.
No. Listen,
Y'all handle
if
that.
people
You ain't pulling no brakes.
people are go home. You understand me? I'm telling you, say there's a bomb in that blood clot, boy. You know the word we say a while ago? Do you know what to say a while ago?
Whatever problem you got,
Do you know what to say a while ago?
next stop.
Be careful.
Listen, man.
Be careful.
You can go
Okay.
to jail. You know
Anybody
that?
pull that
Blood
brake.
clot.
You can go to
You better
jail.
be careful.
Now you can go to jail for threatening me, big man. Yeah, that's right. Big man, you want to threaten people on the train? Huh? You ain't that why.
He talking about pulling some damn brakes.
A fool is no why.
It took me five. I live in Staten Island. It took
No!
me 5 hours to get
Let me stop this blood clot break in that train. That's why I can't even know one bomb clot. Put you on. We say have a bomb in the bomb. Where's the other bomb in there?
I
We
just know
drive.
You ain't pulling no brake. That's what I'm telling you.
Come here, how did we pull it?
Everything else, that's your problem.
Where we are just to pull it? Me not pull it because you alone. Other people have to go
We
home.
all going to jail tonight, Dan.
Understand me?
You gonna make it
Me
out.
not go there.
Pull the brake. Go ahead, pull it.
Me not go. I'm bomb clot. Me not go.
brother right now.
Me not go.
With me and everybody else now.
No, me not go.
Yeah.
You all go there
Take
for
the shadow when you want.
fucking face.
Pull the brake.
Fuck your mama.
Pull it. I guarantee
You
you
want
won't
like
make it
him.
out of jail. You won't make it out of jail, my man.
I like that blood clot thing. You want like
Choke
him.
the shit out you.
understand
If you touch that brake. if you mad as hell because he talking, even though he talking when he be talking,
What is it that
that's
I
your
am?
brake. Touch that
want
brake.
him out.
I will choke the shit out you. Pull the brake. Pull the brake.
Alright.
I tell you what, I'm gonna sit right here. and
Mind
watch you pull
trouble.
the brake.
You know we are fucking talking.
Go pull the brake.
Here?
Go pull the brake. You're gonna have a lot more problems than my man right there.
Transfer is available.
If I
Who
can't
are
go-
you?
If I can't go home,
Z train.
you gonna find out.
Who are you?
If I can't go home, you gonna find
Who
out.
are you? You want me to stop the blood clot train right now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Eh? You want me to stop this blood clot train right now? I'm stuck on the pan. Eh? Where are you?
Go
I'm
ahead.
in Johnny emergency blood clot break right now. You want me? And nobody come out here. You want?
Stop is
You told me to stop the train.
You want me?
affected everybody else.
clear of the closing door.
What's blood clot? Eh?
You told me
You want me to do it?
Let's get off the train. You told me everybody else. Whatever your problem is, it don't affect nobody else. Shit, that's what I'm talking about. You ain't stopping this fucking train. I gotta go home. Period.
What's that about?
I said what I said.
You don't want to know what them fuck
I said
out
what I
of the road
said.
trade
I
blood
said
clot
what I said.
center. I'm going to talk about boom in the bag and I
I bet you
see.
won't stop this train.
Eh?
I don't give a fuck what you talking about. I bet you don't stop. I bet you I can go home on time. Shit. You mad at him. What the fuck everybody else got to do?
Let me tell you something. If we start
You
this
heard
train
what
now,
the fuck I said.
what you can do?
You heard what I said. That's all there is to
What
it.
you can do?
You heard what I said.
What you can do if you stop it? Me don't want to hold up other people. I mean, no some policeman the right just to know I say everything and I know I'm gonna watch the blood clot.
It wasn't a bomb.
A policeman the right on the camera right now. I never said nothing. I'm gonna watch to see what I'm going on.
Ain't nothing between you but air and opportunity.
The man tell me say have a bomb and the blood clot back and I see. And you tell me no. Say me can't say nothing about that.
It's a bomb. It's a bomb.
Like I said.
Huh?
If your medication parked on the ship,
You understand what I'm
if
talking
your
about, right?
medication,
That's all I care about. That's all I care about.
if your medication parked on the ship, your medication parked
I know
on
I
the
need to
ship,
get my black ass home. Ain't nobody pulling no train shit. Yeah, that's what I see.
Fucking stink.
People got his medication.
I'm talking about book man and a blood clot back.
You can do anything else you want, but you ain't stopping this train.
This medication is pumped on the ship. People got his medication.
Fucking old muffin shit house.
This is a
Why watch it when I want to
Brooklyn Express train.
I say kill a bug number roaches and keep those blood clots but them to bomb in a bag. Eh? And I'm see.
Is the medication pumped on the ship?
See the world blood clots first and I want to plug up and kill up most of those people.
Nothing to do with
And you tell me now say that bag and you see the party there's a bomb in there. And you about to preach justice? What kind of fucking man are you? So you preach justice? I tell me the bomb and I see it in the bag and you bomb the car train. When I'm blood this pussy can't kill those people. You tell me that?
it was a bomb.
You think me a player? You think me not serious?
You would have been blew up in this class. Everybody knew.
Nobody don't want to hear when I got a blood clot, man. Come out the train,
I speak the word
man.
of God anywhere I
I'm not Muslim.
I speak the word of God anywhere I want to. You don't tell
This
me what to
is
do.
Wall Street.
You come here and check and talk about people about lesbian and Batman business. You don't business with people they don't want to
You
do.
don't tell me what to do.
Left people.
You don't tell me what to do. You don't threaten me then I suppose you would be a grown man.
I'm not Batman, me no care.
I don't care what you
Go where I talk about people business for. Left people.
I don't care.
And do your one thing.
I don't care.
You see what to Buju Banton and Jamaicans want to him.
This is a Brooklyn bound 5 express train. The next stop is